Boom! What's up? Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you're joining from. I'm really excited. I'm pumped up. I'm excited. How are you doing today? You're welcome to another live trading session with Mayowa Owolabi. And we just want to rub mind, engage, see the potentials we have in the market, and see how best we can manifest right now. How are you doing? Good afternoon, good morning. Tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning. Trying to share, guys, so that people will know we are live. Where are you joining from? You want to make sure you share. I'm making sure I share. You guys know it's always free. So the best we can do is to help others to see it. Hey, Eben. How are you? Good to see you. Ifine from Lagos. Fantastic. How are you doing today? So, how's your trading been this week? What have you been up to this week? What have you been up to this trade? How many trades have you picked this week? Fantastic. You find from Lagos. Good to have you. Eben from Lagos, Nigeria. Good to have you, Eben. Samuel Duma. Fantastic. Good to have you. How are you doing today? How's your trading been this week? As you join, make sure you drop in a message. Where are you joining from? Where are you joining from? Hey, Madam Joke, how are you doing? From Akute. Good to have you on the call today. Dr. OK from Meduguri. Oh, really? How is Meduguri today? Good to have you on today. In 2 minutes, we're going to start. We're welcoming everyone. We have Abel Paul. Abel is fine. Good to have you on the call. Garuba Ahmed from Kaduna. How is Kaduna? It's been a while. I think I was in Kaduna 2019. 2019, yes. 2018 or 2019, I was in Kaduna. 2019, yeah. I was in Kaduna. I think I spent 2 weeks in Kaduna. I think Kaduna makes a lot of sense. And just, I was in Jos, I was in Kaduna. Alex, hey, good to have you. If you're from Uyo, if your guys, your trading going, if you're, I should be taking profit offering from you now every month. Oh, tithe and offering. You have learned so much. Oh, you need to be giving me updates. How is it going? Are you killing the market? Tell me. Hey, Mr. Jide Odetola, what's up? Good to have you. You're welcome. How's the day going? Olagunju Olatomiwa. Good afternoon, boss. Good afternoon, man. Good to have you on the call today. So let's get to work. So, guys, you're welcome to this live trading session, which is an amazing session. I don't like to miss myself, and the goal is that we can be we can go through the market analysis, pick one or two trades potential, and see what the trade can give to us for the month. Okay. I'm a swing trader, so I'm not showing you a trade to pick immediately. And if there is, we're going to pick it. Okay. But the goal is that we can rub minds together. I can share my view with a couple of experience that I have in the market. And I really also want people to know that I've been in your shoe before, losing money severally, and share how I've been able to overcome it and get better every single day. Okay. And my goal is that we can all see Forex as a skill set that we can all learn and use to build our wealth. I strongly believe that Forex is a very good vehicle that everyone can leverage on, depending on your experience and depending on the kind of scalability you want to deploy. Okay, okay. Abel from Lagos, fantastic. Olatomiwa said from Lagos means the last live session. You don't want to miss live session. Okay. Samuel said my analysis got past my area of interest. Okay, fantastic. So if he's not there, he's not there. Okay. Hey, Mark Plus, how are you doing? From VI. Good to have you. Good to have you. So let's get to work today. Let's get to work today. Okay, Garuba said, I was one of your students in 2018. I attended the advanced and me and Shamsidin at Ikeja. Yes, yes, I remember. Wow, fantastic. Thank you. Tope Aluko said, good, bro. We met in the days of IML. Love you, bro. I love you too. Thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you so much. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. So the first analysis that I'm looking at today is the same analysis I've given you guys in the group on YouTube. I've been expecting the market to come into uh, this weekly zone. Okay. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to come into this weekly zone. And if you go to 8 hours, you will see that we have the market came into the extreme part of it. Okay, so this is the market. So one of us, when I when I uploaded the video, he said he has already put in pending order. And if you put in pending order using this stop loss, is 74 pips. This is extremely high. Okay, you don't want to risk 74 pips because you have a potential 1,000 pips. It's not going to be a viable business. As an entrepreneur, one of the things you want to do is to find a way to reduce your risk so that you can make more money. And I gave you a very good example some time ago. I said it's because you're an entrepreneur, you're a businessman, you do not need to trade every business. You don't need to go after every transaction. If the transaction will give, if you spend 100,000 naira or you spend $100 and you want to make, let's say, you want to make $300, it's not a bad transaction. But when you are risking 74 pips, which is 1% of that, and you're making just 5 pips, for me, it's not a viable business. It's not a kind of business I want to put my money in. So in as much that I'm trading Forex, I'm not the same type of every type of Forex trader, because I want to be able to pick my niche. And when I mean pick my niche, I want to be able to pick a trade where I can get 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 100 risk reward. If I can't get that, it's not worth my time. It's not worth my monitoring. But I know a lot of us, we've not been able to overcome that part. Our goal is we want to really catch up every trade. And when you catch up every trade, like I told you the last session we had, you will be going after so many trades and you will be disturbed. And you don't want such training. You don't want to be in such scenario. Because you see, you want to be able to work less and make more, and not work. So the guy said that he has actually put in pending order here. He was expecting the market to trigger, and sincerely, the market would have triggered him right now, and there will be a lot of what's it called? A lot of drawdown. I can't imagine entering here right now, and the trade is already in 50 something pips stop loss drawdown. It doesn't make sense. So because it is 8 hours, you want to be able to have what is called uh, uh, the chart you use for analysis and the chart you use for entry. Your chart, your chart and your analysis chart and your entry chart. So if this is your analysis chart, you don't have to go in right now. But if you go in right now, you're going to be missing out. The risk is too wild. So let's say, for example, you're coming to 30 minutes and 2 hours. You can still see that the market rejected at this zone. And when the market rejected at this zone, it went back up. So you can't even still trade here. So what do? You have to wait patiently. Everybody type in patient. See, guys, it's not a must to trade every day. You won't be able to help your mindset, except you're an intraday trader. And as an intraday trader, you would have been looking for a buy opportunity here, not a sell opportunity. You'll be looking for a buy opportunity here. You'll be looking for a buy opportunity here because you have a flip zone where the market has broken above, you see, and this place will be a buy entry for you. So you'd have been in this trade if you are taking this kind of entry. But like I said, this is not bad. This is 27 pips. Okay, so which is not a bad one. Okay, for an intraday. So right now, because I'm looking for a sell scenario, I need to see the sell trap. And there's various sell traps you can harness. Various sell traps you can harness. You can use your lower time frame confirmation, where you have the market do, some people will call it W, some people will call it several names, several. Just look for the one that suits your personality and that you understand. Okay, you can use your lower time frame confirmation entry. I think I have a video on confirmation entry. You can use engulfing, that when the market comes into this zone, you want to trade engulfing. If you're trading engulfing in this zone, you'll be able to reduce from maybe like 74 to 30 pips or 25 pips. depending on how big the engulfing is. You can even go as far as um, trading what is called evening star and morning star. Somebody will say, Mr. Mayowa, which one is evening star? Which one is morning star? Okay, let's go there. Morning star. Okay, so morning star and evening star. Morning star is for buy, evening star is for morning star is for buy, evening star is for sell. So you won't be able to say to yourself, oh, I want to only go in on the trade after I have seen a morning star or I have seen an evening star. Okay, so you want to look for your morning star consistently on your chart. So when I see morning star, I want to go in on that trade. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, morning star is good, but I'm not using morning star. I want or evening star. Okay, I want to use Trinity candle. Oh, Mr. Mayowa, which one is Trinity candle? So, these were the things I learned, guys. Trinity candle. Which one is Trinity candle? This is a good Trinity candle pattern. Trinity candle pattern. You can see it bullish, bullish, bullish. Then your entry will be from here. But guys, your stop loss will be wider. Okay? Trinity candle. Let's look for more Trinity candle. Okay? Bullish, bullish, bullish. Trinity candle. These are some of the things I've used money to buy and learn. Okay? So that's it. But sincerely, you just have to identify a lower time frame confirmation that you want to master. Okay? You want to master it. You want to master it. Personally, I use extremely lower time frame, like lower time frame. When the market comes into this zone, and I've seen this move come down, go up, come down, go up, come down until I see a clear change of trend. I don't put in my money. That's what we do in the community. Okay, I know a lot of us will say, but it has given us pin bar. This pin bar is a good reversal sign. Yes, I know. I've learned it that way. I've been in your shoe. I've paid for courses that I have a guy I respect that I learned retail trading from. I did in 2011 or 2012 till date. He still trades pin bar. So pin bar is also good, which takes us back to what suits you. What kind of trader are you? Okay, so personally, I have not seen what I want here. I want to see a lot of accumulation. I want to see the institutions, I want them to deceive us. They've not deceived us yet. So a good way that you want them to deceive us, you want to see the market goes into this place, come out, go out, come down, go in. Good. So this phase is called the accumulation phase. So when I see this, then I'm interested. But if I don't see it, if it is just this kind of plain move, sincerely, the market has the tendency to keep going up. So what do I want to see? I want to see the market. I want to see the market go up as it is here, come down. I want to see the breakout of this. I want to see the breakout go in. I want to see the reversal back then. Good. Then I want to be able to trade. Another amazing thing that you guys need to also master is that no matter the kind of move you want to trade, when the market has not given you a clear breakout of the trend, you don't have business with it. You see, it took me time, guys. If it has not broken your what? Your trend line, okay? Go to my YouTube channel. I did a full training on trend line, the power of trend line. Okay, some of us, we want to trade here, which is internal trend line. And if you are trading internal trend line, there's a way it's traded. Okay, you don't trade it if you have not seen other break of structures in it. So don't come here and say you want to sell. So which I know a lot of us, that's what we do. So right now, I am still waiting. I've told you guys the forex trading is 80% waiting. Okay, 80% waiting. For example, if I had used this trend line now and it has broken, there is break of structure, I will now enter here. What will make me not to enter here is because sell zone, I have to see the reaction in this sell zone before I put in my money. So between now and Thursday or Friday morning, we should see clarity. Okay, but it's already in the zone. So this is the major where the major work is. So waiting for the market to come into the zone, number one, waiting for the market to react to the zone, number two, then waiting for the major move to start, number three. That is the three moves that we use in the mentorship group. But you can also use it. Number one, if I'm trading, if I'm a supply and demand trader or a support and resistance trader, I will wait for the market to come into the zone. First move. If it does not react, I will not put money, which is where the challenge is. Some of us, because it has formed a pin bar, you will use the pin bar as the entry. Then our stop loss will be above the pin bar. Not bad, okay? Not bad. Another set of traders, they will use engulfing. Oh, fantastic. Not bad. You put your stop loss around it. Okay, good. But my own type of trader, when the market gets into it, first move, the second move I want to see is accumulation. Everybody type in accumulation. Let me see what you guys are typing. I've been emphasizing on training for a while. Type in accumulation right there. Good. So right now I need to wait for the market to gather. Type in accumulation. He has to gather, he has to collect money from you people, he has to collect money from the impatient traders. He has to, yes, you have to see the accumulation. So what do we call accumulation when it comes to institutional trading? We call them liquidity remover, stop loss on, so many words that a lot of funky traders have created around it right now. you know yes, but you want to see accumulation. You want the institutions to play around that zone well. Now when they play around that zone well, then you know that you are ready. But if they've not, if you go in, you're going to really get money in. For a very long time, I would have entered for a very long time. Early in my trading experience, I would have gone in on this trade, and I end up losing. But this has taught me over time. You see, one of the things why I tell people about forex is that it's also going to be the amount of time you are spent in there. When you started driving, there were certain things you were not doing, but right now you are doing it because why? You kept doing it, you kept doing it, you kept getting better. And some of you, once you trade 3 months and you don't make money, you quit. No, guys, it doesn't work that way. Give yourself minimum 5 years in this space. Lose money, make money, lose money, make money. But the ones you are making, begin to see how best you can retain those experiences so that you can make more money. So right now, CHF is top of my entry for me. Top of the entry for me. I'm waiting for accumulation. The second one which I'm waiting for what's it called? Is Euro Chef. Sorry, Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY has done all the moves right now. So and we are back to it had a rejection here. So we are back to an amazing point of interest for me, which is what a lot of you don't want. Since I've been waiting for this trade since I got in here. I've been waiting for this trade here. But some of us, you know, we are support and resistance traders, so you'd have caught this trade. Okay, I didn't catch this trade here. Okay, so right now I'm waiting for a sell scenario that will take us to this place. Okay, So if you enter right now, the challenge also, what did I call it? The challenge is 148 pips. Come on, guys. We are using it to risk how much? Let's see. We are using it to risk 1 to 9. That's 1,300 pips. That's too much. I like 1,300 pips, but I don't like risking 148 pips. So I need to, what do I need to see right now? Tell me. I told you, what do you do next? Tell me. You've been following. Tell me. What do you want to see next? Fantastic. Once the market comes into that, you wait for your accumulation. Accumulation. Ooh, you guys are good students. Thank you. But guys, if you are not patient, you know, you go in and you go in and you miss out in it. So in here right now, I have a daily supply. I also have a 4-hour supply. I also have a 4-hour supply. Okay, good. So since I have 4-hour supply in the daily and monthly, then we need to go maybe to like 1 hour, 30 minutes. Sometimes I go as far as 15 minutes, guys. Okay, so for me, there's no, you can see what we're talking about. So right now, can you see it? Can you see that they're already gathering consolidation phase? Tell me, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Can you see this? This is where the impatient traders, they would have collected money, several money. Once you are not patient, they would have collected several money from you. Several money. So you have to wait. So what I see happening for this accumulation phase, this is what I see happening. Drop, rise, drop, eventually breaks outside, eventually drops down, then eventually comes back here. So when it now comes back here, that's where I'm going to look for a sell. Or I wait for another lower high, lower low, then I take my sell here. I take my sell down. So I'll be from here now, I'll now be I'm using this zone and this small zone. My stop loss will now be like 9 pips. So I'll now use that 9 pips. I'll now use that 9 pips to catch 152 pips. 1,900 pips, which is 1 to 151. So if I can catch this now, is enough for me for the next 3 weeks. Is enough. Because 1 to 151 risk reward, that means that if I risk $10, I'll make $150 minimum. Okay, if I risk $100, I'll make $1,500. If I risk $1,000, I'll make $15,200. So this is a simplified way. However, if you don't now want to catch, you are not patient, you don't want to be patient like your personality, which I really disagree, because when it comes to money, it is more than personality. Come on, guys, if you agree with me, type in I agree. When it comes to personality, there's more. There's more. Hey, my brother, how you doing? Hi, South Sudan. Yeah, yeah, good. Alfred Tuban, fantastic. Good to have you. Good to have you. So I totally feel that it's not because you need money you are trading. You're trading because a lot of times people say, oh, I'm impatient. That's why. See, money, business, there's a way see, your personality can tell when you are doing other things, when you want to marry, when you want to, but when it comes to money, when it comes to money, the money you want to make, you have to build your person, you have to build the right personality. It's the personality that will give you money that you need. Okay, so Larry Daniel is saying, so how do I get the entry value? Now the entry value has to do with your entry strategy. Larry Daniel, you need to have an entry strategy, Larry, and I've mentioned 4. Number 1, engulfing candle. Number 2, pin bar. Number 3, chart pattern, which is what's it called? What's it called again now? All these symmetric entries, symmetric triangle entries, and all of that. Good. So to get your entry will be the same thing with my entry. Number 1, the chart we are using to double top, fantastic. Double top, good. So all those are intraday retail traders entry. Double top, double bottom. Good. So those will be your entry in that zone. Head and shoulder, good. So those are the things you want to use. So if you are using head and shoulder on 5 minutes, the value is not going to be the same with head and shoulder on 15 minutes or 1 hour. Double top on 5 minutes, the stop loss will not be the same thing as double top on 15 minutes. So it's not about your entry value, it's about your entry checklist, your entry. What are you using? Which is why I am here to let you know that you need that entry strategy for yourself. Not because you are in a trading community, you want to know, oh, anytime I use this entry strategy, I am 2/5 or 3/5, or I am 6/10 or 7/10. You must have it. If not, we're going to be having issue. Yes. Change of character, trend, fantastic, good. Also referred as some as Quasimodo. Thank you, Alfred. Some people use Quasimodo. Good. Because you are in a business of pips. So Larry Daniel said, I'll be very happy if I can catch these pips too. You can catch it. How long have you been trading, Larry? You can catch it, but you must have an entry strategy. Tell me. So when I give you chart analysis, the best I can give you is my analysis chart, where I analyze. But you must have your entry. to be able to pick those entries. Fantastic. But if you don't have an entry and you just want to copy and paste, then you want to go back to that beginning and you want to go back to that copy, that signal way, which is not helping so many people. Yes. So we have two charts we are looking at right now. We are looking at Euro JPY and we are looking at CHF JPY. So Ayokunle Zakio says, what plans do you have for novice and beginners like us? Yes, we have a community, we have an academy where you will learn from basic to advanced. So we have a one-on-one mentorship group. We have a one-on-one mentorship program. So Paul Omodara is one of my amazing protege too. Amazing guy, he's doing well for himself. Signal without knowledge is not good at all. You can say that again. It's not good. So if you don't know how to trade at all, you want to go for knowledge first. So if you want our mentorship, I live in Port Harcourt. Yes, 80% or let's say 70% of the people in my community are not Nigerians. So distance is not a barrier. No matter where you are, so far you can join us on Zoom. And my team, we work around the clock. We work 24/7. So even if you come back from in the night, you can chat up with the admin. She will be available to help you. Yes, God bless you, sir, for the ASU innovation. Yes, I'm just tired of people sitting at home. So far you're a student. You have your admission letter, you have your ID card, you can reach out to our company admin. We're going to be training you for 1 month. You're going to be a very good Forex trader before you leave school. The cryptocurrency training will start also later in the month. So if you want to focus in cryptocurrency, my goal is to help 100 students this year before they resume. And my team, if they are willing to do more. So far you're a student. See, one of the things that got me, like when I was very young, when I was in school, I didn't have access to digital training, guys. I went to learn how to mold block. Yeah, concrete block. So if you feel my palm, you might see me that I make money right now, but I know how to mold block. I know how to mold block. I know how to mix with cement. I know how to do labor work. So those were the odd jobs I was doing that I was able to add up to what my parents were able to give me. So when I share my story with a lot of people as an entrepreneur, I didn't get here because I know how to do it. I got here because I didn't have an option. I got here because I wanted to make my parents happy. I got here because I needed to change something from my state, from my family. I needed to change the way the schools my children will go to. So I'm not doing it for myself right now. I have a big why. One of my why is because of my children. So that is why, despite how much I have lost in my first 4 years in Forex trading, I did not quit. I did not quit because I wasn't doing it for my friend. I was doing it for myself. I needed to correct what has been happening. So that is why the ASU strike offer is out. So if you're a student, that's it. So let's pick another. Which chart do you guys want me to analyze? I've given us AUD CHF, CHF JPY. I've given us CHF JPY. I've given us Euro JPY. I'll give us two more. But before we go there, let me take your questions. Okay, if I said is it GBP USD you mean? Is it GBP USD you mean? Touching story, coach. Yeah, really one, my brother. Thank you. So even if I feel tired, I keep showing up. So let's go check GU. So GU, if you're in the last meeting, I told us that GU was going to retrace back to this zone. Okay? So this was our entry last week, analysis last week, that this order block should return the market back down. So on my lower time frame, okay, I got the accumulation here, and this was my entry. This was my chart entry. So the only reason I didn't enter this trade was because it was not in the session. It came in the evening. And if you have followed me well, you know that if I want to trade GBP USD, I'll trade it during the London and the Tokyo session. So you can see, the session saved me from entering this trade. Okay. So I also want to go in when the momentum is there. It didn't happen when London was opening. It didn't happen when New York was opening. The market got there when New York was already closing. So that means that there will not be volume. Okay. So because of that, I didn't pick that trade. So right now, it has eventually given us a rejection. And when it gave us that rejection on daily, so I'm fine now. We have liquidity cleared. So this has given us a new supply zone. So this is an aggressive supply, but I will still trade it when the market gets there. So this is an aggressive supply. Okay, rally based drop. This is an aggressive supply. You can also see that the market has broken the trend line. So this is an aggressive supply. So right now I will go to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour. So on 1 hour this morning, I was expecting the market to come up into this place, but it didn't come up. So an intraday, somebody who trades support and resistance would have made money from here. But like I said, you have to be able to pick what you want, not what. Okay, this would have given you like 15 pips stop loss, and it had been yesterday. There's no trade today for this trade, except you want to trade 5 minutes, which is rally based drop, which is this supply. Then you go to 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes, you can see that the market dropped, broke structure. Then this will be our what? Our 5 minute entry. But personally, I don't trade 5 minutes. 8 pip stop loss. Sorry, personally, I don't do my analysis. My analysis chart is from daily. Okay, so I don't do 1 hour chart analysis. So this is not bad. This is good. Okay, this is good. If you are an intraday trader, this is good. Okay, so in as much that my strategy works in daily, works in lower time frame. Just that what I've noticed is that a lot of my students, they now choose to trade swing trading. But this morning, this is a rally base drop. So this is a sell zone. So this morning in the London session, okay, in the London session, you wait for the market to come back into it. So in the London session, this would have been your entry this morning. Okay, but sincerely, I like money, but I've lost so much that I have learned to do what I want and to obey the rules. So eventually, because it's also intraday, you would have made your money quick. You would have made your money and exited. So so if it now keeps coming down, fantastic. But you'd have made your 1 to 5, 1 to 10, take profit one, take profit two, then you break even because the market obeys higher time frame. So we expect the market to come up back here for my own entry, but it's not coming up right now. So what am I expecting? My entry is between 1.2600, 1.26400 and 1.26600. That is where I'm going to look for sell. So if the market comes back here, I will sell. If it does not, I won't. So it's a lot of work. I don't like it either because I like money the way you like money. So let's wait. So I have this supply. So you wait for your confirmation inside this place. Okay. So wait. I'll drop this. I'll drop this link for you. So let me put right up there. So some people don't go and put pending order. Okay. Because I know some people they can just say is Mr. Mayowa's analysis. Yeah, that's my take on GE. Always risk what you are willing to lose. Oh, okay. Risk what you are willing to lose. Do your calculator. I don't get it. I'm coming. Oshokoya said we should check NZDJPY. Okay. Okay. Paul said we should check gold. So I'll check gold. I'll check NJ. Then we'll wrap up. Adeshino said, I came late. Please watch the replay, please. Larry Daniel said, I'm always a student. Whenever you say that language, that means that, okay, what consideration are you giving us? Call the admin after this. We have an in-house discount, but I won't give that off online for you. Call the admin after. He has, she has a usual discount for you, in-house discount for you. So let's do, but you must call her today. Don't call her tomorrow. Euro JPY is dropping, sir. Is that the kind of dropping you want? Yes, I know. That's not the kind of, yeah. Yeah, fantastic. All these guys are still, they are still trapped too. They are still trapped. So this is not the kind of, yeah, this is not the type. This is not the type. This is not the type. Let's go to NJ. Then we'll go to gold. NJ is not even on my radar. One of the reasons NJ is not on my radar is because it's in this cluster. And I think it's on 8-hour supply. Guys, I would have entered this trade though. It's on 8-hour supply. Amazing. Which is good. So the stop loss is much. Another cheat code that I gave you guys free is you can do 50%. 50% of this supply zone. This is another cheat code. You can do 50%. You can see. Come on, guys. Before I change my mind, what will you say? What will you guys say for that cheat code there? So you can do 50% of your supply zone. So you use the 50% to reduce your entry. So you can do 50% of that framework. So, but right now I can't sell NG. What's the session for NG? Tell me. What's your session for NG? Tell me. What session are you to trade NG? What session? Fantastic. Asia session. That's it, my bro. That's it, guys. So, Asia session and Tokyo session. So it's not worth my money. It's not worth my money right now. So Asia session is the only time I will be picking this kind of trade. So if you go in this time around, the volume will not be there. Except you are willing to enter it and hope wait. One of the difference between waiting for the volume is that you are waiting. Yeah, Sydney session, the same thing as, yeah, Asia session. Emmanuel, camera is off fast. Don't worry, guys, the camera will be back. Why are you guys learning? Hey, Chinedu, we gave Chinedu discount on Saturday. Congratulations. Yeah, I think you've been added to the platform, right? So I want to say a very big thank you. I'm proud to say that I'm a member of ITC Beginners Class. Yeah. So once you're done with the beginners class, we'll take you to um, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm happy for you, Chine, the clusters. So when you're done with the basic, you'll be added to the advanced group. So since NZDJPY is since NZDJPY is so this is another challenge we have because you don't want to miss out. That's another challenge because you don't want to miss out. So if you don't want to miss out, you have to reduce your lot size. So in the community, because people want to trade every time, some people they do 50% and they catch their trade. Just that you have a wider lot size, stop loss. But you know, it's not bad. It's not bad than missing the trade. So the last but not the least is gold. Gold is currently on in a weekly in a monthly supply, so a monthly demand. Okay, rally based drop. Sorry, rally based rally. So from there, it's been struggling. Okay, so the only place I'm going to buy from is if it comes into this place. Okay, that's my buy. Anything between 1810, anything below 1810, that's where I'll look for a buy entry. So the only thing I can do right now is to sell on lower time frame. So look for a sell here. Let's go to 8 hours if you can get a clean somewhere here. 4 hours. Somewhere here. So this is where to sell. So you sell from there down. So and because that is 4 hours, you have to go to like 15 minutes. So on 15-minute time frame, this will be my 15-minute entry. Or here. Okay, so this will be liquidity. This will be break of structure, change of trend, break of structure. Then you're good. So if it doesn't come there, I can't put my money. So having said that, so instead of waiting for 15 minutes, I can wrap up this whole zone and wait for a sell. So this sell should happen tomorrow. And what is confirming that? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Retracement back into this place for a sell. Can we sell here? No. I can't sell where it is currently. Can I buy here? No. This is ocean. Always avoid trading in the ocean. And the only time to trade gold is New York section. So this could be tomorrow. So I'll sell from here down here. I'll buy from here. I'll hold forever, like for a long time, not forever. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope that helps. So I've done gold analysis. Let's do the screenshot of gold. Buy here, sell here. So this is a short-term analysis, like this week analysis. Okay, so this is gold, XAU USD gold. Osinachi Gift says, Sir, what time is the London session and New York session in our local time? 8 a.m. Nigerian time and 1 p.m. 8 a.m. London, 1 p.m. New York. Victor Michael says, good afternoon, sir. I really appreciate you for all you do here. Your kindness is here, is a balm to all who encounter it, sir. Please, discount do you have? What discount do you have for the working class? The student package is great. Call the admin. Call the admin. We have an in-house discount for you. Call the admin 090. Call the admin. Call her after this live session. She will give you a discount. I give 24 hours discount. Call her. She will give you. London. Hey, Julius, all the way from Cameroon. Good to have you. Julius said he loves gold. Personally, I rarely trade gold. Okay, I rarely trade gold, and the reason I rarely trade gold is because of the risk reward. You know, I don't like entering instant execution. Okay, so if I want to trade any asset, I like to know what I am risking, what I'm going to make. I like to know what I'm risking. If the trade goes against me, I would like to know what I'm losing. Okay, so that allows me to go in 5% of my account, 3% of my account. Even sometimes I do more because I know what I am risking. If I'm trading on a $25,000 now, I'm willing to lose $1,000, $2,000. So when it's giving me return, it gives me very good return. Thank you, boss. You're welcome, Victor. Shukaya Oluwafemi said, I want to come back to the Discord group. No, I want to come down to the Discord group. Discounts are, we don't give discounts for Discord. Discord is $100. except the admin will give you the in-house discount, which is 3. If you are paying for 3 months, she will give you for $250. Oshikoya, I think that should be fine for you. Is that okay for you? I think that's fine now. 3-month discount. 3-month discount instead of. Okay, so call her and make payment. She'll give you the discount. So, guys, what did you learn today? What did you learn today? Tell me. We have Euro JPY. Guys, I'm still holding my trade. I'm still holding NZD chef. On my 2 brokers, I'm still holding them. Like, geez, I know some of you don't like that. No matter why you are holding a trade more than 1 month, 2 months. Yeah, it's okay. Wait. If you close it, what will you be doing? The trade is still going down. Do you get, guys? The trade is still going down now. So if it's still going down, why? If it's going, well, I'm still holding NZD chef. We're still holding AUD chef in the community. We're holding NZD chef. That's where toughness is. And by the time we go in on CHF, JPY, Euro JPY, and all the other ones we have in the wait that we are waiting for in the community, we wait. You keep just, it's not, pop, you close. The next day you come again, you are looking for another one. Pop. Femi. Femi. Oh, Femi opted out of NCHF. But Femi, you have done 75. How many percentage have you done on your account? You've done 75% now. It's not that. See, stop being, don't let it pain you. Femi have done more than 50% of his account. Femi, how many percentage have you done? About 75% is enough now. So see, don't forget, no pain, no gain. But when there is a gain in the forex market, take it and go to the next one. Okay, so don't let 75% on your account is amazing. It's amazing. So now, because you opted out of the first one, when you go into the second one now, you will build up to be able to handle it. You will build up, so you will not come out. You will take your 1 to 5, 1 to 10. Then you wait for the rest to the let me say he's going to sleep there. Guys, don't sleep there. Okay, guys, that'll be end for today. We have 4 trades we've discussed. We've discussed on NZD-JPY. We discussed on gold. We discussed on CHF-JPY and Euro-JPY. Mr. Alex wants us to check EU. I don't want the video to be longer than 1 hour. Let's see if we can quickly check EU. EU. Yes. EU should come down. It's on a flip zone. Okay? EU is on a flip zone. So if you can come up for a sell, I can't enter where it is now. So this is where I'm going to be selling EU. No, I don't like my style. I don't like it myself, but I love it. I don't like it as a trader, but I love it as a businessman. I love it as a money-making system, but I don't like it as a trader. Oh, geez. It's already selling. So if you're an intraday, for example, if you are willing to have traded this zone, you would have traded it on 5 minutes. So this was the high. This was the break of structure. This would have been the entry, but I don't like that. This would have been a how many pip stop loss? 12 pip stop loss. Not bad. Not bad. So right now, wait for retracement, please. Wait for retracement. So wait for retracement back to the top. If you can get a sell from the top or allow it to come deeper for a buy. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. I'm excited. Good to have you guys on. Really excited that I can be of help to you. Okay, what did you guys learn today before we round up? Type in what you learned today. Tell me. Alex, what will you say to our team? Adedoyin, what will you say to our team? Oshikoya Femi, will you say? Victor, what will you guys say to our team? Thank you, boss. So much value. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're welcome. What will you say, Larry, Daniel, Tunde Salami, Tiblis Mayowa, Olatomiwa? What will you guys say to the team? What will you guys say? What did you learn today? I'm pumped up. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, fantastic. We have somebody from LinkedIn saying thank you, sir. Thank you too. Sir, this intraday are gathering a lot of people. Yes, intraday, but it's a lot of work. And it's a lot of losses too. So don't always talk about the losses. Talk about the frequency. The frequency will also means that there will be a lot of losses too. You know, I used to be in your shoe. You know, by the time I analyze on 1 hour, I'll count 50 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, 80 pips, 100 pips. I'll say, 200 pips in a week. No, because it's frequent, you also need to talk about how much you are losing too. So there are also going to be losses too. By coach, I learned simplicity when analyzing the chart. Other coaches, one of my alarm, Euro card. Euro is dropping massively. Ooh. Euro is dropping massively. I have a setup for Euro card. So I'm waiting for confirmation. I love the simplicity. Other coaches out there are completely making it complex. No, guys, Forex is not complex. Thank you so much, Alfred. Okay. Victor Michael say you are inspiring, sir. I love you. I love you too. Thank you, Victor. So much value today. Thank you, sir. Thank you too. Charles says thank you so much. Gain so much value. The essence of patience trading can't be overemphasized. Thank you, sir. Thank you, boss. You're welcome. Charles, hey, that's the language. I celebrate you. I celebrate you too. Okay, guys. So for the $250 discount to be for the $50 discount to be in the Discord group, reach out to the admin. She's in the office right now. She will definitely attend to you. Um, yes, she'll definitely attend to you. For the people joining for the mentorship, she has a coded discount she will give you. Reach out to her, please. She will attend to you. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I look forward to your success. Make sure you are documenting. Do it well. Journal. Know what is working for you. I know, guys. Just do it. Make it work. Have a pleasant evening. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.